Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix texture packs not showing up in your Minecraft. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to teach you or show you in this video. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix is you need to ensure your resource packs match the game's version. So the most important thing to remember when downloading mods and resource packs for any game, not just Minecraft, is that the files may not work with your current game version. So before downloading a resource pack, ensure it is compatible with your Minecraft version, and otherwise it won't function, or you'll need to lower the quality of your game to make it appear in the list of packs that can be chosen. So, for example, when downloading from Resource Pack, you can scroll down at the bottom of the pack description and find the list of the game versions the files are compatible with. So, as shown in the screenshot below, so we use here Luna HD as an example, but this is the case with other resource packs as well. So, for other websites, this information is most likely still available, but located in a different place on the site. So, if you have confirmed that the files aren't compatible and the problem is indeed that, uninstall or the mod, or yes, uninstall the mod or read download the correct version from the developer's website if it is available. But if the files seem to be compatible with your game's version, but you're still experiencing problem where they aren't showing up on the list, so move on to the other solutions down below, or on or just continue watching this video. So next is you can ensure the files are unpacked correctly. So when downloading a Minecraft resource pack, most of the time the files will come packed in an archive file, or in RAR file. So for an easier download and better overall organization. So to be able to use these files, you first need to unpack them using the WinRAR. So one common mistake beginner Minecraft modders makes is copying the resource packs without extracting the files first. So the game cannot read what's inside the archived file, therefore, so the pack doesn't show up in the list of available resource packs. So this can be easily solved by correctly unpacking the files. And if you want to learn how to do that, just follow these steps below right here. So just download the resource pack and place it on your desktop, and chances are it will come in an archive file with the .rar file extension. So you'll have to unpack it. So if you already have the WinRAR or WinRAR installed on your PC, simply double click the archive file and it will open. So left click on the main folder, and within main folder within, and drag it onto your desktop. So this will extract that folder from the archive file. And now you need to place that folder you just extracted into the Minecraft resource pack folder. So to do that, follow the steps below. So open your Minecraft on your computer and navigate into the options panel. Click onto the resource packs and then on the open resource pack folder. So this will open the resource pack folder in the Windows Explorer, where you need to place the folder you unpacked earlier, which is the main resource pack file folder. So you can do this by simply dragging the folder from your desktop into the folder using your mouse. So once you do that, the resource pack should show in the list of available packs in the game. So if this process is still not clear to you, you can go ahead and pause this video or go back to the video and follow the fix again at your own time. And then next, what you can do is you can remove the .txt extension from your pack.mc meta file. So if the resource pack you're trying to use contains this file right here, the mc meta.txt file, it won't show up until you remove the txt extension from it. So I'll show you how to do it. easily. So first, so since TXT files are basically text-based files, you can open them using the text editor program, such as Notepad. So open the file in the Notepad and click onto the file on the top right corner of the screen. So from the list option, choose to save as, and then in the file or in the file name or in this right field, remove the .txt extension, and in the save as type field, choose all files instead of text documents. So choose the location where you wish to save the file and then click on save. So now since your resource pack is no longer a text file, it will show up in a game and you will be able to use it as intended. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and do the steps again at your own time. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.